Guys, it's Nabranes TwistyPuzzler here, and in this video I'm going to be doing part 3 of this holiday / December unboxing, and only one of these cubes is for holidays, so, and it's just like miscellaneous cubes and Speedcubes and stuff, so I'll just take everything out. There's already Lubico black that I already unboxed, so, okay. So yeah. So the only thing that's for the holidays is CubeStyle Kibiminx. I'll stick that out because it's about to fall out anyway. So yeah. So let's see what we have here. I'm not going to turn. Oh, I feel the plastic already. It fell out of the box basically, so yeah. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So CubeStyle Kibiminx, stickers Kibiminx, but these caps are actually also stickers, so I might take them off. And I have the MoFang JiaoShi Megaminx. I think it's like a Yoo-hoo and Yoo-hoo-R, but just like a little better. I'm not sure. That's costless. I'm not sure about that. Then the Keychain cube from MoFang JiaoShi, 4.0 centimeters. Yulong square 1 because of what happened to mine. Dropped on the ground. Yeah, I think I showed you guys this. Yeah. Or at least like I said it in the description of my November unboxing video where I got this. I also got a cheese square 1. I thought it was now I realize. I forgot that I just got a regular cheese. Now I know why it's not in like the X-Men box. I got an X-Men Wingy Skewb, and I got a MoFang JiaoShi Skewb and Stickerless because of this reason. I actually got it in black. So yeah. Okay. I just start. Oh yeah, and also I got the Calvin Puzzle 5 in white because that's all about this. Corner broke. A non-cuber. Like 2 or 3 days after I got it. Yeah, whatever. I just gotta do it. So let's just start with this because it's already out of the box. So yeah, kind of like it's sluggish. Yeah. In the review, it's very sluggish. In the reviews, they said that it was sluggish. Yeah. Put it right here. Show you guys on the screen right now. So, that's, light blue face, and it is sticker sprite, so, not that they chose something really bright, like a sticker pink type of thing. Let's compare the shades to the ShengShou CubeStyle. I don't know which one I'll use, because, I don't know, so, let's try out corner cutting, reverse corner cutting. So, wait, is this a straight ShengShou knockoff? It might be, but it's stickerless, so, yeah, it might be actually. So if it is, I could just use ShengShou caps. I'm wondering, it might actually be a straight ShengShou knockoff. I think it's a little different though. It does have some reverse corner cutting, but the ShengShou doesn't have any reverse corner cutting at all. So yeah, I don't think it's a straight ShengShou knockoff. Yeah, it's not a straight knockoff of ShengShou. No. The mechanism might be similar, but I know it's not a straight knockoff. So I might actually be my new main for Kibiminx, which I kind of stopped doing for me. I don't know why. I still rather have. I still want to be a WCA event. I don't know. I think that's because it wasn't that good. Like, I don't know, like locked up and stuff. And the problem is this is sluggish. Maybe some D&M will help. I don't know. Maybe just factory lube. Let's compare the mechanism to ShengShou. Oh, this is capped. That would make it. Yeah, it looks like a ShengShou. So it would be easier to magnetize because of the caps. Definitely, if you wanted to magnetize it. Definitely be a lot easier than having it like a ShengShou. And I'm actually going to get my other ShengShou Kibiminx. So right here. This one is actually better than the other one, like turning. But the problem is that my recognition isn't as good because of the color. I don't know. Whatever. So now I have a Kibiminx in black, a Kibiminx in black, Kibiminx in white, and a Kibiminx in Stickerless that has some sort of reverse corner cutting. This is the mechanism on the ShengShou. Actually, I think this one will come out apart easier. I think this one will, yeah. So it's definitely not a straight ShengShou knockoff. Yeah, it's not a ShengShou knockoff. Well, maybe not a straight ShengShou knockoff. Looks pretty similar, but I can't get the pieces out of the ShengShou. Just show you guys, you can't do that. Oh, you can twist a corner if you actually if you really wanted to, or there's actually a twist. You can twist it without taking it apart. That's cool. It's like looser, but it's not like unstable. It's still stable. It's like looser, so you can. So it's easier to corner twist if you want to, and easier to take apart if you want to. Yeah, so it's basically like more towards a Speedcube. Yeah. Oh wait, even the colors under the centers are like that color, so it's not just the caps. You know, there's the outside of the cap, and there's the inside, but yeah, even the like actual centers themselves have the stickerless colored caps. I mean, our sticker's colored, so yeah. See, two parts of the cap. See, or you could just ignore it. Maybe, like, I guess you could use the caps on the ShengShou, so it would be easier to ignore. If you really wanted to. You could use the black caps, but yeah. The caps for a black face. But they should make another version of this where the centerpieces also don't have the color. Yeah. Okay. And actually on the ShengShou, I was saying, some of them, like sometimes people have the stickers on there. You don't need to do that. Okay, yeah, this is definitely faster. I don't know which one I would use. So, moving on from the Kibiminx, we have this Megaminx from MoFang JiaoShi. See, yeah, it's all taped. Or just get it out, or maybe not. I don't know. Oh wow, this is weird. This is a weird Megaminx, guys. Yeah, so get ready for the awkwardness. It's like kind of concave and convex at the same time, and the outer layer feels small, but they're not. Honestly, it's weird. Also, I don't really have good corner cutting. Well, I guess a little bit. Yeah. I think it's fine. Cost $8. It's like you can grip the whole entire thing, but you can't. Like it's like out, but it's just like in. Like just like it's like sucking your hands, and I can't explain it. You actually have to feel it. But then like. Oh yeah, I know, it's kind of like sliding on here, I think. But then with like the sculpted, it's like not. These are my 2 Megaminxes. No, this is a ridge one. Yeah, you can kind of just like, go out here and it just stops you. Yeah, this is definitely my main. Yushin, I didn't even move it. It's just starting to wear away, so I might have to. This is a Keychain, yes. Yeah, it just like stops you, so like they're in the middle. And especially like with this, there's nothing, I don't know. And then this is the X-Men Galaxy. The Keychain S is a budget version of the Galaxy. Well, I think it's just that I can't really control the Galaxy, and also like might be on loose tension or something. But the magnetic one is really good. Like the description, magnetic one. But this is like warping unit. You would think that you would like kind of like slip out. No, it's not like that. It's like like you were here and then it's just like it like pulls you in actually. So it kind of like forces your hand, or fingers, or whatever to actually go in here for the grip. You guys get what I mean? Saw that after. So next we have Calvin's Puzzle 3x3x5 in white. Okay. This time I got it a different color. Oh, and also if you get a 3x3x5 from Barnes & Noble, that was Calvin's, don't return it. Just buy it, place and put it on the Cube Cloud. It only costs $3.78. So don't return it. I just want another one, so yeah. So you guys get one. Oh, apparently this one has that logo. This is AH, so and it has the Genie logo too. I don't know if it has anything to do with the color or because I work from the cubicle. I don't know. I don't know which one is better. I'm getting irritated for so how to. It's like sluggish though. You guys kind of like hear and like tell how I'd feel that you're feeling. Okay, so see some algorithms on it. Like that, and like parity. Yeah. Like keyword algorithms, maybe like outer layers now. Yeah. Like. And I'll saw that after. Okay, so guys, I'm going to unbox next. Maybe I don't know actually. Let's see, we are going to unbox. No, we just got show me it. 4 centimeter one. Yeah, 4 centimeters, 40 millimeters. That's next size down. So now I have 50 millimeters, 45 millimeters, and 40 millimeters. That's nice, actually. Oh, the corners aren't really squared off as much. I don't know. Or maybe it's like the same amount, but just... Maybe it's like the same amount. Like physically the same amount, but just like not the same amount in proportion. Yeah, it definitely feels different. And it's like not really like glossy and frosted. It's like just like very smooth, I guess, the plastic. Like plain. It's not corner cutting. Over the top corner cutting. Or the top. I think it's a little loose actually. Yeah, it's loose. It's like locking up there. But like a loose type of lockup, not like a tight type of lockup. And the keychain is actually removable. I don't think the keychains are that strong, so yeah. keychain can be removed by like doing this. Yeah. I don't know, I can't put the corner in. What am I doing? And I was going to start off the keychain, but there's still a hole in the corner piece that isn't minor annoyance. But you could always possibly just get a replacement part. I own like another piece. Like, yeah, just like buy another piece from the vehicle. So you could just buy, I wouldn't say buy the same exact piece, like blue, red, and yellow, for example. I mean blue, red, and white. Like, I'd buy blue, red, and yellow, and you could just switch to the white, so white isn't affected. I don't know if it's different on cubes, but whatever. I don't think they would send a piece with a hole in it, but whatever. You know, they might be the same on all of them. It's corner twisting a lot, but it's probably just because it's loose. Yeah. It's 40 millimeters, a little bit smaller than 42 millimeters in, so yeah. Definitely too small for me, but if you're like younger, then, or you have smaller hands in general, yeah, this would be a good option for you. Until you outgrow it, or if you already stopped growing, then you just have really small hands for some reason, and yeah. Yeah, like two-handed. It's like awkward. I feel like I can do better on this than on this. It like feels different. The keychain ones are different than these. Yeah, okay. So moving on, we have 4 puzzles left. And this unboxing, 4 left. Wait, no. Let's do this first. Wait, I'll just take them all out. Why not? Actually, something annoying about YongJun products is that their stickerless ones, only the stickerless puzzles have. Let's open on the bottom, the top 2. So yeah, only their stickerless puzzles have. This plastic is really cheap feeling. What that is. Yeah. So the thing with the stickers, YongJun puzzles. Only the stickers ones have the logo. They don't put the logo on the stickers. Yeah, and the logo fell from like Yulong. And you actually can't buy the logo separately for YongJun puzzles. So yeah, the final 4. Let's just start with the YongJun Yulong. You guys already seen this. This one is nice. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how to do parody, so I like the Yulong because you can just take out the edges. It's like a good thing to learn on, because if you just want it to be solved, you can just take out the corners and solve it like a 3x3 or 2. Yeah. I don't know parody on Square One. This is like worse than my yeah, this is worse than my regular one. Also. No, my non-stickerless one. It definitely feels more high end. Part of it is probably because the plastic is actually covered with stickers, so I don't really know what to do corner cutting on a Skewb. This one might also be like looser, I guess, yeah. Well, the plastic's different. This is like primary plastic. So that might also make a difference too. There's like primary under that, yeah. And now, the cheese square one, and we'll end off with the extra wings too. Probably, which is probably the most anticipated thing of this unboxing. Oh, I know the cheese square one. Yeah, I've heard good things about the square one. That's annoying. It's upside down when you hold it like this. But I don't know. I don't even do square ones, so yeah. Yeah, it's really good. Just dry and sandy, that's all, but you know, it's not lubed, of course. So that's why it's like that. I've heard things about Square One core stripping, something like that. So yeah, and the Cubicle Square One is a modded cheese Square One that doesn't have the it's really fast on the slice. Doesn't have the core stripping problem. However, they discontinued it because now we have the Volt. So now I can't get a modded core. I don't know how to do that, of course. Oh well. I don't even know if the core is stripped on my Yulong score. Not this. My this one. My grooves, you could actually take out the pieces. Yeah, like that. And you could do some illegal turns like this. It's like weird. I don't know what. Like yeah. Oh, a piece came out. Oh. It's like this, like these types of turns, like 7 there and then 5 there. I don't know what happened. It's weird. Yeah, I was just using it and it fell on the floor and then yeah, it broke. Fortunately, so that's why I got a new one. I also just got a cheat Square One too. Like once I line properly, it actually like go like way too fast. Like it has to be a line like this. Something like that. But any sort of reverse corner cutting, I'll just stop. Too far right. I don't know. So it's just normal. It's like really loose on this side. Guess I don't know why, but it is. I don't know. It's white though. Loose. Let's go back to the Qi. I don't know what's on Square One. I just know like a YongJun beginner method, but no parity. And for some reason, when someone has like, or like as like a YongJun beginner method shows, if you have like parity in both layers, like then there's actually no parity. So like, for example, if you have like this, wait, yeah, let's say you have that, like, it's not parity. Just intuitive, pretty much. You have to bring, like, this here. Totally not parity, of course. So okay, so oh wait, I was about to say this about wraps up the video, but no, because we have one more puzzle left. The cheese is really good. We have the X-Men. I anticipate it. Okay. Yeah, the X-Men. I don't know. You know, it's like, again, it's like sucking or working your hands into, like, weird. Like, down to the middle. Oh, you definitely won't lose grip with this. I don't really feel like a click at the end of each turn. Like, however, on the Megaminx Cube, you kind of do feel that click. See? I have the limited edition one. I don't know like Skewb algorithms except for Sledgehammer, Head Slammer, and U-Perm. Oh, the caps come off. Yeah, that makes sense though, because like kind of just comes off easier. It's easier to come off because like more like come like out more instead of just like this. And so like, you get the MoFang JiaoShi, but it's not really that good in Stickerless. Or I guess mine isn't. Or mine, which happens to be Stickerless, isn't good. I don't know. This is like weird. It has like a weird feeling to it. I guess, I don't know. Like kind of like quiet. Trying to do like ready cube stuff on a Skewb. So yeah, so yeah. What? Yeah, my wingy popped somehow. And I can't fix the pop. The corner can go back in. The centerpiece and just not go back in. I don't know. And I noticed that on the MoFang JiaoShi Megaminx. I was like the J program where you like use your thumb. Something like catch and not go. You don't really have any corner cutting. Like it's just like on all Megaminxes. So you should. Yeah, it does go more. It doesn't really catch. Okay, so. Yeah. So. This was this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.